Yeah. Good morning, children. How are you all? Must be fit and fine, children. Today we are doing work. This is all revision you have done earlier, and this is only revising. We are revising this work. Okay. See, children, what are the verbs? Today we are doing verbs. Verbs are of two types. Okay. One is main verb. This is second is helping verb. Okay. Helping verb. Before I go for verbs, you should know what is verb. Verbs are the action words. What are the action is done by you, but someone. All actions are called verb, main verb or verbs. Okay, see, like run, eat, sleep, read. These are all verbs, and these are all called main verbs. Why they are called main verb? In sentence you will come to know why we are calling it main verb. See from the sentences, you like see, I eat my food. Okay, I eat my food. Suppose if they would have been not given, suppose action is missing here, I dash my food. Does it make complete sense? No. The sentence always needs a verb also. To complete the sentence always needs a verb also. This is eat is a verb. Okay. See, sleep. She sleeps late night. Okay. Late night. Okay. Here you are speaking what? Sorry. She sleeps. What action she is doing? She is a subject. This is also subject. Okay. What action is subject doing? She sleeps. Okay. Subject is she sleeps late night. Okay. One thing we then from these verbs we come to know that action. What is the action is being done is called verb. Action is being done. Okay. See, action. First is the main verb is action words. Okay. Action words. Okay. Then second it tells about, see, she is angry. She is angry. Okay. He was lazy. Okay. And this is, sorry, children, this is also verb. Okay. But these verbs tells about the state of a person. Okay? How does the person, what is the state of the person? Okay? That she is angry, he was lazy. Okay? And these are the verbs. Okay? These are also main verb because they are acting as a main verb. Okay? Acting as a main verb. Though it is helping verb, we will discuss later on. First see, angry. Angry is what? Angry is adjective. Okay, this is adjective. Lazy is also adjective because you cannot touch this thing. You can feel only these things. Okay? You can feel the personality of a person. You can see the personality of a person. From these words you can come to know that these are adjective. And this is a verb. And second is action. And this is the state of a person. State of, state means condition. State of being kar state of a person kar state of being. Okay. This action words tells about the state of being, state of person, state of subject. Okay. This is all main verbs. Okay. And third one is, see from the example, he has new dress. Okay, he has new dress. They have big bag. Okay, big bags. Okay, and here what is verb? This is has and have. These also act as a verb. Okay, these are verbs, children. These are verbs. Why so? Because they tell about the possession of the subject. Okay, the possession of the subject. What possession? Has new dress. Okay, he has what? New dress. They have what? New big bags. Okay, these verbs tell about the possession. Possession means ownership. We have done ownership also. Honor means ownership. What the person is having. Okay, ownership. These वर्ब tells about the ownership. ठीक है, ownership. Owner means किसकी चीज है, ठीक है, ownership और possession. ठीक है. These are all, these main verb tells us about the action word, state of being and ownership, possession. Okay, it must be clear to you. Okay, and next see, now children, now we are doing helping verb. What are helping verb? Helping verb, the verbs when connect with the help, where they assist the main verb. Assist means help the main verb. See one example. I am running. I am running. Okay? I am running. Suppose without this, suppose if they would have not been given I running, does it make any sense? Does it make any complete sense? No. You need some word here, and that word you need here, it is called helping word. I am running. Okay? I am running. Then she was cooking the food. She was cooking the food. Okay? She was cooking the food. Here, if there would have not been given was she cooking the food, but it would not make any complete sense. So you need a word here to complete the sense. It means she was cooking the food. She was cooking the food means this is was is a helping verb, because this was is helping this the main verb. This is the main verb, and this is also main verb. This is the main verb, and this is the helping verb. Helping verb. What is the difference between helping verb and main verb? Main verb is an action word, and this is not an action word. They are only assisting this main verb. Assisting means helping the main verb. Okay, and it is clear. And second thing, they tell about the tense also. These words they tell about the tense also. See, I am running. This is a present continuous. You have done earlier present continuous. She was cooking. This is a past continuous tense. And these helping verb also they tell about the sentence. Tense also. What kind of tense is this? Present is continuous tense. Past is continuous tense. This also. Okay, and from these more examples we can come to know what are these tenses tell about main verbs and helping verb. See, I have done my work. I have done my work. Okay, I have done my work. See, Neha has pushed me. Neha has pushed me. Here, this is have or has. Have, this is have and has. They are acting as a verb also, and they tells about the tense also. Tense, okay, and tell about the plural or singular. I is used always. I के साथ we are always writing have. If they would have been given you have, then again you have done. So just see one thing in your mind. You is used for singular as well as for plural also. So we can write you have done your work. I have done my work. Okay. Neha has pushed me. Neha has pushed me. This is telling about, this is present perfect tense. Present perfect tense. This is action, main action, and this has is assisting this main verb. Okay, helping this main verb. And this is these we can come to know these from these verbs, main verbs or action word, we can come to know the tenses also. Okay, tenses you can come to know these are helping verbs, these are the main verbs. Okay, now children, there is one more condition is this. Then when there are use of be. See the use of how some of the people they don't know, children don't know how to use be. Okay, use of be. Be means होता है sentence according to the sentence is, am, are, was, were. Okay, and suppose if the sentence is given I playing now. ठीक है, if the bracket weight is given be, so some of the children पता है what they do? They will write I be playing in that. Does it make any sense? No. You are supposed to use the form of be. Be. What is the form of be? Is, am, are, was, were according to the sentence. Now. Now means this is present continuous tense. It means you are writing here I am playing now. ठीक है? If they would have been given they playing yesterday. ठीक है? When I reached there. ठीक है? When I reached there. Here it is also given here brief. Be is also this verb. Be is also verb, but be has a form is and are was. Now see here was and were also. See children, they dash playing yesterday. You are using be, use form of be. So you are supposed to write here they were playing. Okay, they were playing yesterday when I reached there. These present continuous, simple past continuous, simple past tense go together. Okay, then it would be clear to you what tense you are using. And these are helping verb because they are assisting the main verb. Okay, I am playing, am is a helping verb, playing is a main verb. Okay, because you have come to know what are action word, what are the action, only we can see action, what he is doing. When we are seeing through that what they are doing, what the children are doing, what I am doing, my mother is doing, whatever the person is doing, that is called action words. And action words are called main verbs. Okay. Now children, keep one thing in your mind when you are writing this, all main verbs and helping verb, there is one more than models. Models. Okay. Models mean you are using this either to see what are the models. Can, could, will, shall, should. These are all models. And model के साथ children, keep one thing in your mind. Model के साथ we are always write first form of the verb. Okay. See, I can help you. He can help you. I can help you. She should help me. Okay, she should help me. Children, see, and this is main verb. Okay, this is main verb, and these can and should model, they are helping this main verb. Models are also called main verb. Okay, but they are also called, these helping verb, main verb, they are called helping verb, also called auxiliary verbs. Okay, auxiliary verbs. Okay, auxiliary verbs. We say auxiliary verbs. Okay. Okay. Now I hope you must have understood what is main verb, and children keep one thing in mind. And main verb can stand alone also. Okay, main verbs can stand alone. See, I help my mother. Help my mother. Okay? Help is an action verb. It does not need anything more. Okay? It does not need anything. They can stand alone also. Okay? And just like helping, this helping verb, they need a main verb also. Okay? They need a main verb. But these main verb does not need any helping verb. Okay? They can stand alone also. Okay? Now, these you must have understood all this. What is main verb and what are helping verb. Now we are doing some exercise, then through the exercise you will come to know what are the main verb and what are the helping verb also. See children. See, underline the main verb and circle the helping verb. See children, I need a pencil. Okay. Atul is a good boy. Atul is a good boy. Okay. Next, see children. We are playing. Riya reads nicely. Okay. Now you are supposed to underline the main verb. What is main verb here? I is the subject. Okay. Okay. A is the article. Pencil is what? Noun. This is noun. When a name of a person, this is a noun. Okay. Then what left? Need. What do you need? This is a main verb. Okay. Underline the main verb. You are supposed to underline the main verb. This is a main verb. Okay. Atul is a good boy. Now how can you find out where is that verb? Atul is a subject. Okay, Atul is a subject. Is article. Good is adjective. This is adjective. Boy is a noun. Okay, boy is a noun. And what left? Is. Okay, is a what is here? Is a verb. Okay, is a verb and it acts as a main verb. It acts as a main verb. Okay, is, am, are, was, were acts as a main verb when there is no verb is given. When there is no main verb is given, though it is a helping verb. Is, am, are, was, were. I told you, na, form of be, has, have, had, and these act as a main verb. Okay, we are playing. We is a subject. We is a subject. Okay, playing. Playing is what? Play. You are doing some action. Playing is a main verb. This is a main verb. Okay, and what left? Are. Are is a helping verb. Are is a helping verb. Okay, this is helping verb because this verb, helping verb is helping this main verb. Okay, without is there. Without if we write we playing, does it make any sense? No. So we need a word. The word you need, that is called helping verb. Okay, Riya reads nicely. Riya is a subject. Before go to verb, you should know the each of everything of the part of this sentence. Riya is a subject. Okay, nicely. How nicely? Nicely means how. This is action. How the Riya is reading. This becomes an adverb. Okay. So how does she read? She reads. What does she read? She reads. What the work is being done by? Riya reads. Riya read. This is a main verb. Okay, this is a main verb. Okay, and children, keep one thing in your mind. This is form of has, have, had. Has. This is has. Has. It has three forms: has, have, had. These are also verb. Has, have, had. These are also verb. Do, does, did. These are also verb. Okay, how to form into sentence? See, I have done my work. Okay, I have done my work. And through this, then you can come to know what is the where can we use with singular or plural. I is used as a main. This is the first person. First person के साथ I is always first person. We are writing have. Have is a यहाँ पर. Have is also. This is helping verb. I have done my. What you have done? I have done. You have done something. I have done. This is a main verb. Okay, this is a main verb. See, and this is a has and have. Has is used with she has. Plural के साथ. She is a third person. This is the first person. This is a third person. She is a third person. See, she has done her work. She has done her work. Okay, done her work. Children, she is a subject. Has is a helping verb. Okay, has is a helping verb. Done is a main verb. This is a main verb. Okay, children, keep one thing in your mind. This is whenever you are writing, you are supposed to see ki have is used with plural and I also. I, we, they, you, and in this way you can come to know what tense is this. This is a present perfect tense. I told you earlier, na? Present perfect tense means use of has, have plus third form of the verb. Okay? And she has done her work. This is also present perfect tense. इसमें singular के साथ, singular means third person है यहाँ पर she, he. This is third person. Third person के साथ we are using she has done her work. Has done her work. Okay? If they would have been given they, so you would write here they have done their work. They have done their work. Okay? They have done their work. This is also present perfect tense. Okay? This is the third person. There is also third person. What is second person? First, you. You is the second person. If they would have been given you, so you should write you have done your work. Okay? This is a use of, these are also verb. Okay? As a helping verb. Do, has, have, had. Okay? I had a nice party yesterday. Suppose I had a nice party yesterday. If I give you example, I had a nice party. I had a nice party. Nice party. How do you come to know which is the verb, main verb, this helping verb? I is a subject. is an article, nice is a adjective, nice is an adjective, and party is a noun, naming word. Okay, where are you going? I am going to a party. And what left? Had. So had becomes a helping verb. It's a helping verb, but it is acting as a main verb. Why so? Because there is no main verb given, so it is acting as a main verb. When there is no main verb given, the helping verb acts as a main verb. Keep one thing in your mind. Okay? Then he, do, does, they, these are also helping verb. These are also helping verb. They do their work. This is present tense. They do their work. Okay? They do their work. This is simple present tense. They is a third person subject and do is a verb. But how do you come to know whether it is main verb or helping verb? Because this is main verb, no main verb is given. So this act as an, it is already this is a main verb because it has a form of verb. Do, did, does. Okay? Do, they do their, what they are doing? They are doing their work. There is what they are possessive. Okay? This is personal pronoun and this is work is a noun. So what they are doing? They are do their work. They do. This is simple present tense and this is verb, main verb. Okay? And have. So, sorry, she does her work. She does her work. Okay? She is a subject and does is a main verb. Do. Singular के साथ, third person के साथ we always write it does. Okay? She does her work. My mother does her work. My father does her work. Okay? This is she or he. This is a. It is also third person. Okay? Next, did. How do you use this? This did is also past. Okay? Past verb. Past. Do का past form did. Did. He did his work. Yesterday. Okay? This is what? This is also action. Yesterday. Okay? Sorry. Yesterday. See? Here, he is a subject. Okay? He is a pronoun. Person pronoun. Work is a noun. Okay? Yesterday is a adverb. And what left? Did. So did becomes a verb, main verb. Okay? And do ki past form is did. Did is a main verb. Did is a main verb. Then first of all you must be knowing that each part of the sentence, what is this, what this. If you are knowing that, you can easily find out where is the verb. Okay? And I hope you must have understood and all the main verb and helping verbs. Once again children, main verbs are the action words and they act as action. They are called action words also, and they tell us about the state of being, state of the person. What is person's state? He is happy, he is sad, he is angry. And possession also. He has a book, she has a car. Okay? These are all of them. And helping verb tells about they assist the main verb. They help the main verb. They are called helping verb. Okay? I hope you must have understood all these verbs and you will do well in exam. Okay? Thank you, bache. Bye.